Oh yeah. Oh, wrong way. There we go. Power stroke in his back is going to be part 2 of my 151 conversion on this old EXT 550. My buddy Levi there. Saw him in the KC Turbo install video. Anyways, he has the Mountain Cat. He was going to take my skid and track off of this because it's perfectly fine, but his is a 136 track since it's a Mountain Cat. A little bit longer, but his shock's blowing. His suspension's just shit.
His shock is missing.
There we go. Or broken off, I should say, or something. So once we get this skid out, he's going to rob bogey wheels. He's going to rob suspension stuff. He's going to make this Mountain Cat back to its glory, should say. He also got a new fuel pump for this, so it should be running good. Anyways, I'm going to start disassembling this old beast. And over here, got my 151 track with 2-inch lugs. Stole from the Skidoo 800. Won't have enough power. Not for mountains, but it will be good for a ditch banger, I hope. I got the lugs coming in tomorrow, or the drive sprocket, I should say. I got carb parts coming. I have new belt coming for this. He has a new belt coming for that. And that should be it for now. Hi. So I'm gonna start loosening up the track here, get this out, go outside, measure up, see what all the measurements have to be for that skid to fit into here, and hopefully it's not going to be too much modification, but it's going to be a lot of riveting. So stay tuned. I'm going to get this skid pulled. Levi there's putting in his new pump now, nice and shiny. Try not to mess that up too bad. And this skid's ready to come out. Just so easy how these come apart. Just 4 bolts and then just bam. And I did notice one thing though, taking it apart. Here, I don't look this over too closely. Look at this. That bolt's just so off-centered in there. So I'm sure there's some good and some bad in there. I mean, it could be his problem now, not mine. So I'm gonna get this pulled out here and I guess start trying to figure out taking out the jack shaft and the drive axle there and get it ready for tomorrow and press on the new drive gears. So yeah, let me get this pulled out and hopefully it's not too big of a pain. Alright, so I'm out here with the donor sled. I get 2 measurements. Center to this hole, to center that hole, to get how far that has to be back. And the center of that hole, just center of, probably just do the middle hole there. So I know where to make the holes on the Arctic Cat, and then I can get it drilled. I have to come out here, steal these plates to throw in the Arctic Cat. Yay, riveting. Hate it. But anyways, I'm gonna get those measurements and I'll meet you back inside. So, almost tripped. I got the front holes drilled, and I just set this in here for now. So it gives a rough idea how long it's gonna be. It's definitely gonna sit up higher than that. But yeah, it's gonna definitely gain. Here are the 2 tracks side by side. Should have a little more grip. This track does have some lugs that are chewed off of it. I mean, it's not a big deal. I mean, there's one there. But I'm just going to go out to the other sled, start drilling out the rivets for that back bracket, and get it transferred in here. Alright, it's going to be the end of the night here. Probably be into part 2 now. So, got that all torn off. He's actually stealing parts, bogey wheels, suspension parts and stuff for his sled. His skid was trashed, wasn't it?
It was pretty bad.
Let's just take a look at the carnage.
Yeah, there's 2 boogie wheels out there, one there. Shock is broke here. These weren't even close to where they're supposed to be.
We're thinking something with this got hyperextended and fell backwards. It's supposed to go forward, or it was forward, needs to go backwards, like this one. And that one you could press down really easy with your hand.
And
yes, there was no shock on it, but oh well.
Missing a bolt there, where the ski mounts up, or skid.
It skid.
Yeah, there's all sorts of messed up.
Yeah, so
Now my back will feel a lot better.
that's for sure.
And this track is pretty toast.
Yeah.
I'm getting a new one.
And then I went to my old donor sled. I took out all the rivets here for these brackets. Yeah, those will get thrown up in there. I'm going to be looking for a pneumatic or an electric rivet gun because I'm not about to put all these rivets in by hand. Probably going to be taking off this old grab bar here. Just going to be junking that, just throwing on the Skidoo one. Just extending the tunnel. I don't know if I just want to use the one off the Skidoo or just make my own. It's just some aluminum. So, but his sled runs amazing now since the fuel pump. Yeah, it starts up nicely. Went to put the new tracks on, went to put the new skis on here. I just have to drill these out to a 1/2 inch hole. I think they're 3/8 right now. So, gonna take those to work, use a drill press, drill those out, get that one unseized, and then I can put the plastic skis on this. The new drive sprockets will be here tomorrow, so I can take my drive shaft here, throw in the new drive sprockets, and then I can actually start reassembling this. I just need to, I could do just bolts in that. That'd be a lot of bolts, but better than rivets, I guess. I don't know. Probably gonna do rivets. I want to do bolts because I'm lazy. Make a track extension sometime, or you know what I mean, tunnel extension. And my old Skidoo has hood latches, a style that comes up and there's like buttons on here that just pop on. Since the front of this hood does not have the hood latch that swivels, I might just put those in the front here and just use that as a hood because you cannot find any replacement parts for these because they're from dinosaur age. But that should be it for this video. Just give you a side look of how long this is going to be. Let's go up here. Yeah, the old one, ooh, there's my finger, was about right there. So probably a solid 1.5 foot extension on there with the 2-inch lugs. Should be a blast when they're done. I'm pretty excited. You excited? Yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, please subscribe if you want more of these videos, because probably only going to be 2 or 3 more updates on this to get it to drive. And then there's going to be cosmetics, of course, but yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.